In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share my Substack link. If you've published a post on Substack and want to get the right URL to send to readers, this walkthrough will take you from your dashboard to a clean, shareable link in just a few clicks. First, head to substack.com and sign into your account. Using a desktop browser makes the layout easier to follow, but the steps are similar on mobile. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Posts. This area lists everything you've written, drafts, scheduled pieces, and the ones that are already live. Next, switch to the published view. This filters the list, so you're only seeing content that's publicly available, which is exactly what you want to share. Find the post you want to promote and click it to open its details. Opening the post from here helps you avoid copying an editor-only link or a preview link that your audience can't access. Now click View Post. This opens the public version in its own page, the same page your readers will see. It's a good checkpoint to skim the headline and thumbnail and make sure it looks the way you expect. With the post open, click Share. Depending on your screen size, you'll typically see this near the top of the page. The Share menu gathers the built-in options for sending your article around the web. From that menu, choose Copy Link. Substack will place the full URL on your clipboard and usually confirm with a brief message. That's the exact link you'll want to paste elsewhere. Finally, share it with your friends and audience. Paste the link into a text, an email, a group chat, or your social platforms. Add a short sentence about why the post is worth reading to boost clicks. If you publish paywalled content, remember that some readers may see a preview, so consider noting that in your message. A quick tip: before you blast it out widely, paste the link into a new private browser window to confirm it loads correctly and shows the right version. Consider adding a simple call to action like inviting readers to subscribe or share the article. You can also save the link in your notes so it's easy to reuse. That's it, you've located your published post, opened the public view, used the share option, and copied the official link. Keep this flow in mind for every new piece you publish so you can share confidently the moment it goes live.